go over how to draw Shadow from the movie. So Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic 3. Let's do it. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to start with his eye, and I'm going to pull down over here. Out. Going to out up there. Curve a line in. Pulling up over here. By the way, this is relatively for beginners, so if you're a beginner, you'd probably be able to do this. I would say, almost for sure. Out over here. Down right there. And let's go around the corner here. So we're just starting with his eyes, and right off the bat, right, his eyes are different than like the cartoon version of him, right? Because in the game, he's got like gigantic eyes, right? His eyes are smaller. It's kind of what we're going for. Curved line over here. Let's drill like a U right here on this side. The U shape for the eye, pretty much right there, the iris and pupil. Dot right there. And dot right here. Okay, let's go over here for the nose. The nose is going to be around this area. And his nose is going to be smaller than, again, the game nose. Something like that. Almost looks round, totally. It's roundish, but not totally round. Draw a line right here. We're going to fill it in. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like Shadow or the Sonic Universe stuff, because I want to do a lot more of it. So the more likes, I'll do more of it. Let's go around here around the corner, curve right there for the side of the mouth, and over here on this side, I'm going to curve over here for this side of the mouth. Down right here, pulling around more across, and then pulling up. Line right here. He's kind of serious, just like a line. He's more or less just kind of like, what's going on? And then we're going to throw the little eyeliner here. He's got the little guy liner, right? Over here. Here. Curve. Curve. Over here now, let's go to his ears. We're just working our way up. And so his ears are triangular, but I'm going to throw a little, see that little fuzz I'm throwing on there? Because this is a movie version. I'm going to throw a little bit of fuzz right there. And right now, I got the same thing. Go over here, up. And I'm going to go to the ear on this side. And I'm going to throw a little bit of fuzz lines as I pull it back there. Let's draw the inside of his ear a little bit here, too. That's going to help out a lot. And over here for the spike, the spike, it's kind of going backwards a little bit there. Obviously, it's going back. We're only seeing like, bits of that spike right there. It's not, we're not going to see it full out. Excuse me, I think I'm going to sneeze. Hold on. Whoa. Wait. Excuse me, sorry guys. I had to sneeze there. Let's get back to this. Let's go over here on this side now. Right there, we've got a spike coming up. And as it comes down over here, draw a little bit of the head on this side, right there. And what I want to do is I want to draw it's the same pose from the movie. So I want to be able to draw like curve right there for the front of his finger. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Out over here, down. Line over here like so. Curve in. Line over here so. Curve in. Line over here so. Curve in there. And we're going to have, we have like that square, right? And then divide it up into his fingers. And now we're going to go over here on that area. There we go. We got his fist right there. It's not like Knuckles, right? Where he's got like a gigantic hand. So, all right. Going to go over here now. We're going to draw a little bit of his wrist coming back, like right there. Draw it fuzzy. And we're going to draw the other spike over here. Right there. Downward over here. curve right there. Over here on this side. Kind of for that chest area. Again, he's got that colored chest area. We're almost done, by the way, so don't worry. We have this hand. Now let's go over here and draw the other hand. He's got this other hand on that side, so out over there. Draw the finger on this side. Finger on this side. Another finger right there. And the last one over here. Pulling out over there. Downward right here. We got his thumb over here on this side. He's got a ring on his wrist. What's cool about him? And maybe his wrist pokes down over here. It goes around the corner. So he's ready to fight. Same pose as in the still. And one of his spikes is going to be peeking out the back over here. So over there, kind of around the back area. Maybe the other one too if you want. Just to kind of put it in there. Artistic license. Okay, let's go over here for the color portion of him, right? The other. So let's go over here. We're going to start over here, and I'm going to throw in. Again, it's a jaggedy line as I'm doing this. Right there. Go over here on this side as well. We're going to have the color over here on top of this spike. And then over here as well, we're going to have the color on top of this spike. And right there as well. And over here, line right there, and down right there for the inner ear. I didn't put that inner ear before. I kind of was like thinking about it, but I'm like, do I really need that? And if you want as extra, we're going to put the lightning, right? Because he has lightning coming around him. Wiggly like that. Just wiggly. Something like that. Just these thin lines that kind of wiggle around. We don't have to do that, but might be cool. Dude, he's got that power coming out of his hand right there. That's it. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Definitely check out the cool stuff in the description. There's a how to draw cute drawings book in the description. Whatever you guys want, let me know. Maybe I'll throw in like a Sonic guide or something one day, but I want you guys to request it. Let me know what you want, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to check out the cool merch on the main website, and yeah, I'll talk to you later on, okay? I want you to stay here, though, for the next drawing lesson, okay? We're going to hop into another drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.